Old school Kelp Farm. It is a one-tick farm design. First, let's build the signal loop by placing blocks in a T-shape, just like spawning a wither, but break the middle block. Then place a lever on one side. Place a redstone torch underneath. Then a repeater set to 1 tick. Next, place redstone dust like this. You see it start clocking. You can toggle it with the lever. Let's turn it off for now. That's step 1 done, the signal loop. Now for the 1 tick mechanism. This controls how fast the kelp grows. Make a 4x2 base. Then place sticky pistons on top. Dig down 1 block right below. Place pistons. Then go around to the back. Connect everything with redstone dust. Placing a repeater set to 1 tick at the end. Dig 1 block down in front of the pistons. Then place redstone dust to connect with the repeater. Flip the switch to test it. It should run like this. That's the 1 tick engine complete. Cover up the front of the pistons with blocks. Place sand on top. Then move up onto the sticky pistons. Place sand over the piston arms. It should look like this when done. Let's test with twisting wires to check the tick rate. If it works, it glows instantly. Awesome, it works. But our goal isn't twisting wires, it's kelp. Enough. Enclose the mechanism with blocks. Now let's build the harvesting system. The plant grows up like this. We want to cut the top of the kelp, not the base. So build up 1 block higher. Place pistons right above those blocks. When the farm runs, these pistons will harvest the kelp automatically like this. To trigger harvesting, use the observer to catch the redstone signal from the bottom pistons. When they move, the observer sends a clock signal up like this. Extend blocks out and connect with redstone dust. If you fire like this, it collects. Now for the collection system. Items drop right around here during testing. Place a chest here with a hopper conveyor feeding right into it. Connect the main hoppers into the conveyor line like this. Items from the main hoppers flow to the conveyor into the chest. Let's test with twisting wires once more. A complete system should function like this with high output. Enough. Turn it off and build the walls. Place stairs above the chest so it opens. Building walls 3 blocks high. Cap the 3rd layer with solid blocks. And for the front, glass panes look great. Place water on the blocks directly above the piston. Dive down to plant the kelp. Then test out the farm. If it runs like this, your farm is working perfectly. Convert the kelp into bone meal for your log farm. You sit in a sugarcane farm or dry it for infinite fuel, giving you endless fuel and a bit of extra XP. This kelp farm is expandable. Just extend the block sideways or new another module next to it using the same design.